Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday. We need to get started on our calendar. It's a special day today. Hopefully, this friend knows what's so special about this day. Okay, it is, what month are we in still? September. We are in September, and today is September the 29th. It is a special day today because it is Avery's birthday. Happy birthday, Avery! You will have a song coming out at you today, so be looking for that. And friends, if you want to send Avery, I will send the song out to everyone. And if you want to send Avery a picture that you've drawn through Seesaw, or if you would like to send her a voice recording, or if you would like to video yourself saying something to Avery, I'm sure she would love that. I did that with Brian, and I'm sure he enjoyed getting messages through his inbox of students drawing him pictures, sending him voice messages, and we even had one of our friends singing happy birthday to him. So you can send that to Mrs. Hensley in the assignment, and I will make sure that Avery gets them. So Avery, we hope you have an awesome birthday, okay? Okay, friends, so today is September the 29th, and it is Avery's birthday. And yesterday we were wondering what color our apple was going to be. And our apple is red today, so it is green, red, an AB pattern, isn't it? Okay, let's think of what today is. I said earlier, have a terrific Tuesday, didn't I? Okay, so today is Tuesday, friends. So, today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? Let's think about that. Today's Tuesday, so what will the day after Tuesday be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, friends. So we will put that right up here where it says tomorrow will be. So what was yesterday? What's the day that comes before Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What was here? Monday. So yesterday was Monday. So yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday, right? Okay, friends, we have to count the numbers of days that we have been in school. We are in the season of fall or autumn, okay? We're going to count the numbers of days that we've been in school. Okay, we're going to add a straw, and we're going to add a tally. And we're going to count our straws and our tallies. Okay, so these are 2 tens. So 2 tens is 10, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's see if we have 23 tallies here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we are writing the 23. Okay, let's count from 0 to 23. Let Mrs. Hensley get her Mickey Mouse pointer. Okay, here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you're counting with me. 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We have been in school 23 days. Okay. Mrs. Hensley thinks that she's going to write the date. I think I'm going to write the date over here. Well, no, I'll write it where I usually write it. So, here we go. We're going to write with blue today. So, September is the 9th month, 9-29-20, because it is Avery's birthday. Yay. Avery's birthday. Yay. Happy birthday, Avery, again. Okay. We're going to abbreviate September. September, finger space, 29, 2020. Or we can write the whole entire date out. September, finger space, 29, 2020. That is our date for today. Okay, we are going to talk about what we are going to do today, friends, okay? So, starting with this morning, you are going to have, that scared me, it started making a noise over there, and I don't know what that was. But anyway, today you're going to have sound skills. We are working on beginning sounds, so you will have an activity on Seesaw to do in regards to beginning sounds. You will be doing the letter sound chart, the A, apple, A, B, ball, B, ball, Mrs. Hensley, B, bat, ball. Like I haven't been doing that enough to remember that. Okay, so we will be doing the letter sound chart. Yesterday we did the sound cards. Today we're doing the chart. We will be writing the letters uppercase C and lowercase c. You will be working on your September This Is Me page. We did in August This Is Me. Now we're doing a September This Is Me. I will be reading the farm concert again, and you will learn some new vocabulary words with that. And we will talk about the problem of the story and the setting where the story takes place. We will, in math, we will be working with the number 7. And, oh, you're going to, on our horses chart, you're going to learn what everybody said they knew about horses. And then you're going to get another farm animal to know something about. Okay, so I'll ask you what you know about this farm animal, but I'm not going to tell you the farm animal yet. It's a surprise. Okay, so that is everything that we're doing on this terrific Tuesday. Oh, and you'll have a birthday song that will be going out where you will get to sing along, singing Avery's happy birthday. And there will be an assignment with that. You do not have to do the assignment. I just thought it was fun for the students if they wanted to send something to whoever's birthday it was. So, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends. Have a great day. I know you hear me say that all the time. Bye.